Now that you've backed up your files, it's time to copy everything saved on your old drive and put it onto your new Crucial SSD. We call this part in the process copy, though it's technically referred to as cloning, because this is where you make a bit-for-bit replica of your old drive. It's kind of like doing a big instance of copy and paste in your word processing software. Data that's copied doesn't move from its original location. It remains safe and secure, except now you have the data on the SSD, which will load it instantly. Get started by using the SATA to USB cable to connect the SSD to your computer. When handling your SSD, don't touch its gold connector pins with your fingers. Now it's time to download the software that copies your old storage drive to your new SSD. On the computer your SSD is connected to, go to the website shown on the screen to download it. Install this software by opening the file you just downloaded and accepting all the prompts. A screen will pop up where you'll need to click Install. Once the installation is complete, start Acronis. Acronis may now ask you to enter the software's serial number. If this happens, type in the 16-digit key printed on the software card inside the box of your SSD. You'll now see several options in the software. Select the Clone Disk option. You'll then be asked to select a clone mode. If you've never done this before, we recommend the automatic method. Then click the Next button. Acronis will now ask you to select your source drive, which is your existing drive. Select it by clicking on it, then click Next. Now select your destination disk, your new SSD. Since your SSD is currently plugged into a USB port, the interface column will say USB, and that's how you know which drive to select for your destination disk. Select it, then click Next. On the following screen, click Proceed to start copying your data. At this point, it's time to kick back and relax for a bit, since it'll take a while for everything to copy. The software might make your computer shut down or restart, which is okay. Once everything is copied over, watch the next video in this series to see what to do next.